Hey everyone, welcome to the first Salesforce recording for this challenge. So we're here in Salesforce and we need to get started by building our two lead fields on the lead object. So I'm here in the Sales app inside Salesforce. This is the app we're going to work out of for this challenge, so I'd recommend you probably navigate here. And I'm going to click on the lead object. And then I like navigating to the object that way, and then what I can do is when I click open the little gear icon here, this edit object option is available, and that just takes me to the object manager for that record, or for that object. And so we're going to create our two fields, and I'll click Fields and Relationships, and then I'll press New. And the first field that we need to create is the pick list field for the preferred contact method. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'll select pick list, scroll up, press Next, and this will be called, as I just said, preferred contact method. And then we'll enter values with each value separated by a new line, and we'll just say phone, email, and text message will be the three values. And then I'll press Next, and I'll just make it visible for everyone, press Next, and I'll just save it to all the layouts, that's fine. And I'm going to press Save in New here so that we can automatically jump into creating our second field. And the second field that we're going to create is going to be a date time field. So I'll pick date time. And this is going to be the follow-up date for the shipping specialist to reach out to the customer. So I'll just call this follow-up date and press Next. Make it visible for everyone, press Next. And we can just add it to every layout, leave all those boxes checked, and I'll press Save. And so now our two fields are created, and the final thing that I want to do, or the final step I want to take, is I just want to make sure they're showing up on the layouts. So I'm going to click the tab to go back to the front end, and I'm just going to open up one of the recently viewed leads here, which is Bertha Boxer. And what I'm looking for here is just to see that our two fields are showing up. So I see that we definitely have preferred contact method, and we definitely have follow-up date, which is awesome. And if I open up the preferred contact method, I see the values there, so it's looking good. So I think we're all set with the field creation. I'm going to now navigate to the flow builder so we can get started building our flow. Close out that screen, so I'll just type in flows. And so yeah, I guess we're here in the flow builder. So I'm going to end the video there. In the next video, we will continue with building out our screen flow.